Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start with this new topic, soil pollution, in chapter 16, pollution. As you know, soil pollution is largely localized where the air and water pollutions can spread to long distance. The major sources of soil pollution. Sources of soil pollution. Sources of soil pollution are, first one is industrial waste. Industrial waste and wastage, and the second one is urban and commercial and domestic waste. Urban, commercial and domestic waste Third one, chemical fertilizer, chemical fertilizers. Fourth one is biomedical waste, biomedical wastes, and fifth one is pesticide. Pesticides are the five basic sources of soil pollution: industrial waste, urban, commercial and domestic waste, chemical fertilizer, biomedical waste and pesticide. First one is industrial waste. In addition to releasing gaseous air pollutant and chemical laden water, basic is a chemical laden water. Industries also give too much solid waste. These wastes are in the form of chemical residues, and fly ash. Okay, fly ash, metallic ash form. Okay, sources of soil pollution. First one is industrial waste, and here basic pollutants are the chemical residues, fly ash and metallic ash releases from the industries. Now second one is urban, commercial and domestic waste. The cities and town have a variety of market, food, grains, vegetable and fruits market. They have tailors and restaurant, banquet hall, giving out a lot of solid waste in different form. At home we produce, in domestic waste, at home we produced waste in the form of plastic bags, glass bottles, electric bulb, kitchen waste, paper packing, etc. All this is solid waste. All are सॉलिड वेस्ट. ओके, जो हमारे किचन से निकल रहा है, प्लास्टिक है, पेपर है, ठीक है, फ्यूज्ड बल्ब है, that one, it is collected by municipal worker and dumped for a proper disposal. A part this can be converted into the manure and the rest can be dumped into sanitary landfills. What is sanitary landfills? Sanitary landfills. Okay, what is sanitary landfills? Are the places where the waste are dumped, in a ground, depression, and covered with dirt every day, every day. Okay, what are the landfills? Are the places where the waste are dumped in a ground, depression and covered with the dirt every day. That is landfill. Here solid waste are collected by the municipal workers and dumped for a proper disposal. Part this can be converted into the manure and rest can be dumped into the sanitary landfills. Okay, now third one, chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers, as you know, we use in the fields. Okay, now chemical fertilizers, nitrate, phosphate, ammonium salt, क्या होते हैं? Nitrates, phosphate and ammonium salt. and ammonium salts are the chemical fertilizers used. Okay, and in a faster and increase the crop yield. Why we use the chemical fertilizer? To increase the crop yield. And fertilizers slowly washed by the rainwater to reach lakes and ponds. This leads to the faster growth of bacteria which consume a lot of oxygen in water, resulting in the death of the fishes and अदर वाटर एनिमल्स. ठीक है, जो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स हम यूज कर रहे हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नाइट्रेट, फॉस्फेट एंड अमोनियम सॉल्ट वॉश्ड आउट बाय द रेन वाटर, एंड दिस वाटर डायरेक्टली गोज टू द ponds and lake, and this leads to the faster growth of bacteria, and which consume a lot of oxygen in water and resulting in the death of the fishes and other water animals. Now next one, biomedical waste. There are numerous items under this category. This biomedical waste. Biomedical waste. Number of item in this category biomedical waste. Now क्या क्या आएगा इसके अंदर? Needles, syringe, dirty dressing, etc. Unused and discarded medicinal tablet, unused medicinal tablets, ठीक है, जो एक्सपायर्ड हो जाती हैं, एंड पाउडर्स ऑल्सो, मेडिसिनल टैबलेट्स एंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पाउडर, टैबलेट्स एंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पाउडर्स. एंड क्या आएगा? डिस्कार्डेड बायोलॉजिकल रिसर्च मटेरियल, and carelessly disposed of in the municipal garbages. Such waste often reach the soil and may cause the harm to the soil organism and also to human indirectly through some agents. Okay, these are directly disposed of in the municipal garbage. Such waste often reaches to the soil and may cause a harm to the soil organism and also to human indirectly through some agents. Now next one is pesticides. Several pesticides such as for example such as DDT. Okay, this one is biomedical. The DDT as a big name in the field of pesticide, very much used to kill pests in agriculture, farm, go down. What are pests? Okay, pests are basically insect which harms the crops or which cause the economical damage. That is called pest. सभी इंसेक्ट पेस्ट नहीं होते. पेस्ट वो इंसेक्ट होते हैं जो हमारे क्रॉप्स को और हमारी इकोनॉमी को हार्म पहुंचाते हैं. दैट आर पेस्ट. अंडरस्टैंड इट? वी आर रिलेटेड विद दिस पेस्ट कि हर इंसेक्ट पेस्ट होता है. नो, मॉस्किटो इज नॉट अ पेस्ट. ओके, वो हमारी कोई इकोनॉमी को खराब नहीं कर रहा, हमारे क्रॉप्स को खराब नहीं कर रहे हैं. पेस्ट आर द आर्थ्रोपोड्स, बेसिकली आर द इंसेक्ट्स which cause the economical damage to our crops. Okay, were much used to kill pests in agriculture, farm, go down and even at home. Pesticides such as the DDT. What is the full form of this DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. See here, full form of this DDT. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. This is the full form of DDT. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane is the full form of DDT. D stand for dichloro, second D stand for diphenyl and T for trichloroethane. Okay, used in agriculture to destroy pests, alter the basic structure of soil, kill microorganism in it, and may even reach the human body through food grown in such soil. The killed microorganisms are mostly those that recycle the nutrient in the soil. Okay, pesticides such as DDT used in agriculture to destroy pest and alter the basic structure of soil, kill microorganism in it, and may even reach the human body through food grown in such soil. The killed microorganisms are mostly those that recycle the nutrient in the soil. Now next one, that is radiation. That is radiation. रेडिएशन कहाँ से आएगा? एक्सरे से आएगा. ओके, एंड न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट से आएगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ओके, in the form of photons. Photon is a bundle of energy. Radiation is a form of energy, consists of high energy particles. Okay, radiation is a form of energy, is a form of energy consisting of high energy particles. High energy particles. It is being used extensively in the field of medicine. कहाँ कहाँ पे हम radiation use करते हैं? That is in the field of medicine in the form of X-ray. Okay, X-ray in the field of medicine and generating the electricity in the form of nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant. Okay, X-ray containing the great deal of energy measured in the form of photon. X-ray में किस फॉर्म में होता है? फोटोन के फॉर्म में होता है. They damage the body cell too frequent and too many. X-ray exposure may cause serious health hazard, dangerous chromosome genetic variation, bone cancer, etc. X-ray medicine operators have to take very special care to avoid exposure as much as possible. Nuclear power plants can be the source of the leak of nuclear radiation, and either through the neglected disposal of the waste or by any accidental explosion in the plant. The two very serious nuclear plant explosions have occurred. One is Chernobyl, Ukraine in 1986 and other is in the Japan. First one is in Ukraine and the second one is Japan. Second one is in Japan. The two main serious nuclear power plant explosion have occurred. One in the Ukraine in 1986 and the second one is in Japan in March 2011. So many people died and so many suffered radiation exposure causing health problems such as hemorrhaging and even cancer. The chief radiation pollutants was iodine 131. Iodine 131 was a radiating pollutant in this explosion, and which raises the risk of thyroid cancer. Radiation even leaked into the sea and reached human passively through seafood. Carelessly discharged radioactive material may cause severe damage. May it happen in Mayapuri, Delhi. मायापुरी दिल्ली में एक केस हुआ था इन 2010. क्या हुआ था? द रेडियोएक्टिव वेस्ट कोबाल्ट 60, ठीक है, जो हम लैब्स में यूज करते हैं, कोबाल्ट 60 वो मायापुरी में रेडिएशन के थ्रू फैल गया था. द रेडियोएक्टिव वेस्ट कोबाल्ट 60 फ्रॉम द रिसर्च सेंटर somehow reached the market street through kabadis, and several exposed people are still suffering and even had died. A Delhi resident sufferer from the nuclear cobalt 60 radiation had ignorantly kept cobalt 60 pencil in his back pocket and suffered serious burn. Okay, this is cobalt 60. That is radiation occurred in the Mayapuri in Delhi. Okay, what happens? Several exposed people are still suffering and had even died. A Delhi resident sufferer from nuclear cobalt radiation had ignorantly kept cobalt 60 pencil in his back pocket and suffered serious burns. Okay. Now next one is a noise pollution. we will discuss in next video.